Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The time t hours needed to complete a job is inversely proportional to n, where n is the number of men employed for the job. So in this question they are saying that the time t hours, the time which is represented by t and the unit is in hours, the time t hours need to complete a job, and the time is inversely proportional to the n, where n is the number of the men employed for the job. So the time is inversely proportional to the n, and n is the number of the men employed in the job. So when the number of the employees increases in any office to complete a job, so the time to complete a job will decrease. As the number of the employees increase, so each person will do some job, some work. So as a result, the time to complete a job or to complete a work will decreases. So it means that time and number of person employed are inversely related to each other. As the number of persons increases, the time will decrease, and as the time increases, so number of employed will be decreases. So time is inversely proportional to the number of the person employed. Inversely proportional, this is a sign of proportionality, and for inversely proportional we have to write the variable in inverse in 1 upon. So time is inversely proportional to n, so time is proportional to 1 upon n. So converting the proportionality sign into equality, so t is equals to k upon n, where k is a constant. To convert the proportionality sign into equality, we have to multiply it with the constant, which is k. So further they are saying that, further in this question they are saying that when 3 men can complete the job in 8 hours. According to the data, 3 men means that the value of n is 3 can complete a job in 8 hours, means that the time period is 8. So by using the value of n and t, we will first find the value of k. T is 8 is equals to k upon n, and n is 3. So the value of k will be 8 3s are 24. So the equation will be t is equals to 24 upon n. So this is the equation which is connecting t and n. In the first find an equation connecting t and n, so the equation which is connecting t and n is t is equals to 24 upon n. This is the first part. In the second part, moving to the second part, in the second part they are saying that find the number of the hours needed by 6 men to complete the job. Find the number of the hours, we have to find the number of the hours needed to complete. Number of hours means that we have to find time period. Number of hours needed by 6 men to complete the job. So the number of the persons are 6. So using the equation is t is equals to 24 upon n. We have to find t, 24 upon the value of n is 6. So 6 4s are 24. So t will be 4 hours. So means that 4 hours are needed to complete the job by 6 persons. Moving to the third part. In the third part they are saying that find the job. If the job is to be completed in 3 upon 4 hours, how many men needed to complete the job? In the third part, the time given is 3 by 4 hours, and we have to find how many men needed to complete the job by 3 by 4 hours in 3 by 4 hours. So the equation which is connecting t and n is t is equals to 24 upon n. T is 3 upon 4 is equals to 24 upon n. So n will be equal to 24 multiplied by 4 upon 3. 3 8s are 24 and 4 8s are 32. So it means that 32 men were needed to complete the job in 3 by 4 hours. So this is the question. Inshallah, in the next video we will start the next question. Assalamu alaikum.